So we're going to see if we can grease this thing, or at least see if there is sufficient grease in this. I'm using a, what size is it? It's keep trying until it fits. T20. That's what I'll tell you anyway. Now I hope that the spring is not under tension and it's going to pop off. So they're all the same. And careful. Oh, careful now. You want to put it all back, dummy. You want to put it back in the same way. This is rather brand new. Almost no grease on it. Like that. Don't lose the... Yes, I don't know how much grease really supposed to be in these things. Now those planetary gears is not going to just fall out, are they? Hope not. Yeah, not much grease. But I'm going to add a little bit. There's 2 ball bearings there, so don't lose them. So oh boy, that's a lot of shavings in there. Wow. So now where is that coming from? I'm going to guess that it's from that steel. Is that a bearing? No, it's just a steel bushing. The housing is aluminum. Pretty sure it's aluminum anyway. Aluminium. So do you really need to do this? Guys, I don't know. So I'm not saying you should do this. But now, this thing was rated for 325 or something foot-pounds. That's a lie for Tack Life. And it did take off 200 and... I forget, but look at the video, man. Look at the video. But I think it was 220 or something. And that's more than what I needed it for. Now this washer here is nylon. Which again, I think that's pretty typical. For you guys that never took one of these apart. These are, some call them dogs, some call them Advils. Well, if you get hit in the head, you'll need an Advil. But anvil. And this is the, some say, shank. And this, so what happens is, if you don't know, so you got your pinion in here, gear. I guess it would be a pinion gear, whatever, a sun gear, whatever it is. So that goes in here with your planetary gears. I don't know if you can see that, but so it goes in and turns. So it takes the speed, you know, and slows it down to torque. Is the easy way. That's how I understand it. And this will turn, and this spring here will compress. This thing is hooked on, right? So this is the sound that you'll get when that's what you hear, only louder. And so this will turn and compress the spring, right? This will come back. This will pop up and snap down again, right? Bam. And then it'll tighten it, and bam. That's where you get the bam. But that's where you get the impact. I'm going to put in the grease. I don't know if you want to stick around for that, but if you do, I'm going to put in a pretty good high temp grease, and it's high impact or something grease. I don't know if it's for this type of application, but I know it works with everything. So I puts it on everything, just like that old lady in that commercial.
I put that on everything.
So I puts in, you know, 3 dabs like that. Then I'm going to take this. Now, like I said, there's 2 ball bearings down there. Squeeze a little of this right in the hole. Squeeze another little bit right in the hole. You don't need a lot. Squeeze some right down in the center. Put a little on each. Boy, and the grease is cold. It's hard to squeeze out. So leave some comments and let me know if you grease your tools at all. Maybe it don't do nothing. I don't know. But can it hurt? Yeah, I think it can hurt. Especially if you're an idiot and can't get this back in the sun gear here. I think that's something like that, wasn't it, guys? Something like that. Trying to see how far they are seated. And I think they are in there the way they should. I'm going to put a little here. There's no seal, so it's going to leak out when it heats up, right? Is it? Pretty simple. This one was pretty easy to do. And you just put your screws back. They're all the same size, so you don't have to worry about where you put them. Just till it snugs up and just a little bit more. Just like Astro car repair. Just tighten it down and a little bit more. Well, that sounds different. That might be even worse. Anyway, folks, see you later.